Terra Luna Classic has been having a very tough go of it over the last couple of weeks, months. Honestly, the last year has been very difficult as well. After falling from the sky, landing down well below the crust of the earth, Terra Luna Classic bounced back about 15x, made a lot of people a lot of money very quick, and over the course of the last year, it has been coming back down to possibly attempt these all-time lows once again. Now, that doesn't mean that people are not working to restore its value. It doesn't mean that people are not working to rebuild the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. But it's not going to be easy to do so. I do believe that's one of the reasons Do Kwon abandoned Terra Luna Classic and its community and moved on, forked off, and went over to Luna 2.0. But what we've got ahead of us is a very difficult road. So in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the proposals that are out there, some that would help burn USTC, and I also want to discuss the social media analytics for Terra Luna Classic because it goes to show you just how difficult of a time the community and the price action is having right now. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's jump into the proposal. Then we're going to look at some social media statistics and just talk about where Terra Luna Classic is at right now. This proposal is actually very interesting, okay? It's not being met with any no vote percentages right now, but because there is such a high quantity of abstain votes, it is very close to passing. Now, this is proposal 11785, and it is titled Asking Binance to Start Burning USTC. I don't know if this is a sign of desperation. I don't know if this is just to gauge Binance's support in the overall community or what, but it's actually getting a lot of traction. So let's discuss it. It says, this proposal signals Binance to start burning USTC. Currently, Binance burns 50% of LUNC monthly, and that is 50% of the trading fees. Okay, 50% of the trading fees on Terra Luna Classic. We are asking Binance to also start burning USTC monthly with the remaining 50%. Now that's interesting. So what they're essentially asking for is a burning of 100% of all of the trading fees on Terra Luna Classic once again. Binance started out by doing this. Binance started out by burning 100% of their trading fees on Terra Luna Classic pairs, and the numbers were wild when they first began doing it. And then, of course, the Layer 1 development team at the time thought it was a good idea to remint the Terra Luna Classic that Binance was burning, and Binance said, no thanks, we're only going to burn 50% of our trading fees. So we're asking them to once again burn 100% of their trading fees, which means Binance would not be profitable at all on their Terra Luna Classic pairs, but burning 50% LUNC and 50% USTC. By having the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world to help burn the circulating supply, it will directly contribute to the success of the repeg of USTC to the US dollar. With Binance burning USTC will not only speed up the repeg, but will also raise the value of LUNC. This joint effort can also attract other large cryptocurrency exchanges to start burning USTC as well. If proposal 11784, Stop USTC Minting and Reminting, passes and will no longer be allowed without approval from the community, and thus opens the doors for these large institutions to burn USTC, which will be a big benefit to investors that hold either USTC or Terra Luna Classic. Now, 40.78% of all of the votes so far are yes. Let's ask Binance to see if they'll do this. Only 0.91% are no. 0.13% are no with veto, and a whopping 58% are abstaining. This proposal is very close to meeting quorum. And if it does, it might be less than 100 billion Terra Luna Classic away from meeting quorum there. If it does, it is going to be passing. Now look, I think that this is, I can't necessarily see a negative outcome from this proposal passing, unless, of course, CZ, Changpeng Zhao, is so against this idea that he would want to stop burning Terra Luna Classic and stop supporting Terra Luna Classic altogether. Now, I don't think he would go that far, but that's really the only negative outcome I could see from this. Now, guys, talking about negativity, I do need to focus on some Lunar Crush statistics for Terra Luna Classic right now, because it's stagnant, okay? Right now, the price is actually up 2% on a weekly basis. And social media mentions are down 42%. People right now aren't even getting excited about a price increase. Now, you would imagine in a normal situation, a 2% price increase would result in a 2% increase in social media contributions, or roughly thereabout. We're not seeing it. Now, social media mentions are so low. Guys, we were only seeing Terra Luna Classic mentioned 949 times on a weekly basis. That's crazy to see numbers that low for a coin as popular as Terra Luna Classic. Social media engagement is up. Yes, we might have many, many less mentions, but people are engaging more often, clicking the like button, commenting, and so on. Now, one of the things that I always like to look at are, furthering those statistics, the amount of contributors. The amount of contributors to me is very important, because it doesn't necessarily mean how many people are holding. It means how many people are staying engaged in the community and willing to discuss what is going on with Terra Luna Classic. That is down by 22%. Guys, that's a pretty big decline, considering the price is remaining steady and slightly moving higher. Oh, man. The average daily contributors, 7. That is extremely low when it comes to any engagement, guys. We definitely need to see Terra Luna Classic's price action begin to move higher to get people excited once again. This is not to like FUD or scare or anything, but we are not, based on these social media statistics, it is going to be darn near impossible to see Terra Luna Classic reach all-time highs. We need more people involved. We need more people excited. And I believe a rising price in some of these proposals can get people excited once again. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, black, whatever it is on your screen, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.